why do we need thee and thou? Any idea? Bakit preserve ng King James? Bakit hindi na niya pinalitan? Yung thee, thou, ye, ye, yung mga ganon. Bakit ganon? Ang explanation yan, in almost every language, except modern English, people know whether the speaker is addressing one person or many. Sa Tagalog, kayo,
Ako.
diba? Ako, ikaw, ganon. Pero sa English language, walang isang word na nagdi-describe ng marami.
People lang.
Hindi, paano mo addressin
Bunch of people.
Ibig sabihin, pararamihin mo pa, di ba? Walang isang word lang na nagdi-describe na marami. So in classical
James
English,
lang.
yun nga, yung speaker is talking to one person, he uses thee or thou. Di ba? Kung isa, thee, thou. Di ba? If he is talking to many people, he says you. Y-O-U, you. Marami, or ye, Y-E, di ba? The King James Bible preserves this. Okay, so let's turn our Bibles to John 3:7.
7.
The book of John, chapter 3, verse 7. I-analyze natin yung mabuti. So, Jesus said to Nicodemus, marvel not that I said unto thee, ye must be born again. So, in Tagalog, huwag ka na magtaka. Sinabi ko sa iyo, Nicodemus,
Unto thee. Oh.
thee, T-H-E-E, thee, singular, si Nicodemus yung kausap niya, ye, biglang naging plural, ye, kayong lahat,
Kayo.
kayong lahat, ye, must be born again. Tingnan mo nga sa, may phone ka, yung phone, tingnan mo sa NIV kung ano yan.
NIV.
Yeah, sa New Idiot's version. New International Version.
John 3:7.
NIV.
NIV.
Yep.
Let's see.
Ano sabi?
You should not be surprised at my saying, you must be born again. You must be born again.
So, isang tao.
Oh.
Sinasabi ni Jesus, dyan sa NIV, si Nicodemus lang yung mababorn again. Hindi yung lahat ng tao. Gets mo? Naiba yung context eh. Because tinanggal nila yung value ng thee, thou, ye, you. Naiba. So, kung
Confusion.
Confusion, Sino ba yung author of confusion? Si God ba?
Satan.
That's right.